don't know, pick up the screen, something happened.
Hi, Yummy.
Yeah?
Yeah, hi, kitty. Oh, oh, can't run away, can't run away. Look at that cat. Oh, cat poo. Oh, I can't go away. Ooh. That is a mud dauber wasp nest. They pack their nest with mud and their own saliva. They pick up dirt and they wet it, create mud with their own saliva, so it has this waxy texture. Now watch when I try to shoot water at it. So that's a yellow jacket's nest. Right there, as you can see, there's some yellow jackets working. And see, I had to put these fasteners on. Over here was okay. And over here was okay. Over here was okay. But when I got this close to the yellow jackets, I started to get a little mad. One actually tried to attack me. Got lucky I didn't get sting. Oh, and then look. Little bitty yellow jacket. He's starting to make his own nest. Yay, so we're gonna have bigger and more yellow jacket nests over here. I need to get some poison to kill them.